Imagine a world where your dreams become reality, where your deepest desires magically manifest before your eyes. It may sound like a fantasy, but what if I told you that there's a powerful technique that can help you unlock the secrets of manifestation? Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating realm of manifestation techniques. Today, we have something truly extraordinary in store for you. We're going to reveal a hidden treasure, a technique so simple yet profound that it has the power to transform your life forever. Have you ever found yourself yearning for something more? Dreaming of a better future, a life filled with abundance and happiness? We all have, but too often, those dreams remain distant and out of reach. That's where our journey begins. Today, we explore the enchanting realm of Neville Goddard, one of the world's greatest manifestation gurus. Through his teachings, we will uncover the incredible power of the three-word technique and learn how to harness the magic of manifestation. But what exactly is this three-word technique? And how can it bring your desires to life? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a life-changing adventure. We'll reveal the secrets of envisioning your dreams, immersing yourself in the feelings of fulfillment, and unlocking the true key to Neville Goddard's technique, the law of assumption. But before we dive in, we have a small request. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the incredible knowledge and secrets we share. Okay, let's begin. Many people practice various manifestation techniques, but they may lose faith when they don't see the desired results. However, with Neville Goddard's three-word phrase, you can bring about significant changes in your reality. One of the controversial ideas presented by Neville Goddard in one of his books is the notion that the devil and hell do not actually exist. The reasoning behind this concept is that God, being all good and all loving, cannot create evil. Instead, what may appear as evil or negative experiences are seen as opportunities for personal growth and self-realization. These challenges serve as catalysts for individuals to rise above and fight for what is good, ultimately becoming their best selves. Neville also raised questions about free will and punishment. If God has granted us free will to make choices, why would He punish us for making the wrong ones? This thought-provoking question challenges traditional interpretations of religious texts, urging readers to explore the depths of divine love and the true nature of God. When using the three-word technique, it is crucial to fully immerse yourself in the positive emotions associated with your desire. Rather than worrying about the details of how, when, and why your desire will manifest, you should dwell in the moment and feel the positive emotions it brings. By doing so, you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the manifestation of your desires. One of the key aspects of this technique is to trust in the magic energy surrounding you. Recognize that there is a force guiding you towards your desired outcome. Instead of fixating on the specific steps or methods to reach your goal, focus on the feeling of delight and the belief that your desires are already manifesting. The three-word technique can be practiced nightly before going to sleep. By consistently using this method, you can tap into the power of your subconscious mind and create the life you truly desire. So what exactly is this technique, you may ask? So friends, the three-word technique is a powerful method for manifesting your desires. It involves repeating the phrase, "Isn't it wonderful?" while visualizing and feeling the desired outcome. This technique, popularized by Neville Goddard, emphasizes the importance of focusing on the feeling and sensation of achieving your goal. The phrase, "Isn't it wonderful?" offers profound lessons on awakening the subconscious and discovering the immense power that lies within each individual in the physical realm. Drawing inspiration from spiritual texts like Bhagavad Gita and Conversations with God, this phrase challenges traditional beliefs and presents a thought-provoking perspective. This technique can be applied to a wide range of desires, including financial abundance, improved relationships, career success, health, and personal growth. The key is to immerse oneself in the feeling of the desired outcome while repeating the phrase. For example, If one desires financial success, they should visualize themselves enjoying a comfortable and abundant lifestyle while saying, "Isn't it wonderful?" This technique adapts to individual dreams and aspirations, allowing for personalized manifestation. Many individuals have reported life-changing experiences through the application of the "Isn't it wonderful?" technique. Countless success stories attest to the power of aligning with one's genuine passions and aspirations and utilizing the technique to manifest desired outcomes. Now you may ask, what are the exact steps to follow for using this 3-word technique? Let me tell you. Step 1. Close your eyes and allow your thoughts to flow freely, like a continuous river. Imagine these positive thoughts flowing without obstruction, symbolizing the release of any negative beliefs or doubts that may hinder your manifestation. Step 2. Take some deep breaths and repeat the phrase, "Isn't it wonderful?" as many times as you like. The repetition helps to reinforce the feeling and belief that your desired outcome is already a reality. Step 3. As you repeat the phrase, allow yourself to fully immerse in the overwhelming feeling of having achieved your desired outcome. You may start to see clear images, scenes, and pictures in your mind that represent your manifestation. Step 4. Envision a path leading to everything you desire and be fully present in that moment. Allow yourself to drift off to sleep while still in the state of immersion and visualization. Consistency and repetition are key elements in using the "Isn't it wonderful?" technique. It is recommended to practice this before sleep each night for at least 45 days. By doing so, you may start to observe significant changes and manifestations in your life. Isn't it wonderful technique is strongly connected with Neville Goddard's law of assumption. The power of the subconscious mind is crucial in the law of assumption. Your subconscious mind works during sleep, which is why practicing this method before bedtime is recommended by Neville Goddard. By repeating the phrase "Isn't it wonderful?" as you drift off to sleep, you are planting the seeds of your desires deep into your subconscious. Over time, these seeds will grow and manifest in your waking life. Visualization plays a significant role in this technique. As you practice the law of assumption, try to create a clear and vivid mental image of what you wish to achieve. Visualize yourself living your dream life, experiencing your desires, and truly feeling the emotions associated with these achievements. This process of mental imagery helps reinforce your intentions and amplifies the effectiveness of the technique. Maintaining a state of gratitude can also enhance the power of the law of assumption. As you practice, express gratitude for the blessings that have yet to manifest. By doing so, you align your thoughts with a sense of appreciation and abundance, creating a positive energy that attracts your desires. So friends, living as if your desires have already been fulfilled is a key aspect of Neville Goddard's techniques. As you use the law of assumption, continue your daily activities with the belief that your desires are on their way to you. This alignment between your thoughts and actions will help manifest your intentions more swiftly. In conclusion, we have delved into the depths of Neville Goddard's 3-word manifestation technique and uncovered its immense power to transform our lives. By employing the 3 magic words, "Isn't it wonderful?" we can harness the energy of manifestation and witness our dreams materialize before our very eyes. But this journey does not end here. Your manifestation journey is just beginning, and we want to be there with you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this video and found the content insightful, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We value your thoughts and would love to hear about your experiences with the 3-word manifestation technique. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep embracing the power within you to shape your own reality.